everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this beautiful pineapple craft. Let's make it at home using craft paper. You can see the measurement of the yellow paper on the screen. We're going to fold this and we're going to make 44 such shapes. Now tuck all of them one after another. First we're going to make the fruit here. Look how we are pressing it downwards and make a circle like this. Finally tuck it inside and keep it aside. Look like this, you will get the star shape. Now we are going to make two such shapes and keep it aside as well. We're going to make more such shapes look like this and again tuck it inside and make a star shape look like this. Flip it again and look, it's done. After making this shape, we're going to put all of them together. As you can see, we're going to make 6 such shapes and then press all of them together and the fruit is ready. Let's make the crown of the pineapple using this green color of craft paper. Tuck it inside at the center and it's done. Here we are going to take this yellow color of A4 sheet of paper. Now cut it and make multiple folds like this. Now we are going to make 2 such shapes and paste both of them together. Again we are going to paste a thread on one side and then other side as well using double-sided tape. Now fold it again and roll it on another A4 sheet of paper. Look like this. This is the fan. We are going to roll it like this and remember the thread as well. After doing this, we are going to hold the threads like this and paste it using double-sided tape. Again we are going to cover the thread by rolling it on another paper. Similarly put the heart and look, it's done. Here you can take a credit card for the proper measurement and place it at the center of the paper. Fold it and paste it using double-sided tape and your pockets are ready. You can make more such colorful pockets and paste all of them one after another. Now we are going to make the cover and decorate it further using these pearls and look, it's ready. So we are going to take this square shape of paper. Now fold it from the corners, then from the diagonals as well. First we are going to make the crease as you can see and open them. Finally we are going to fold it like this and make a box look like this. Now press it and tuck it inside and the bag is ready. After this, take another piece of paper and make multiple folds. We are going to make the pockets for the front and paste them together. Now we are going to make the handle and strips as well. Decorate it further and it's ready. We are going to make these shopping bags at home using craft paper. So take a craft paper and fold it from the corners. We're going to make the triangular folds. First we are going to make the crease here. Finally press it. Then we are going to tuck the paper inside from the corners. Look at the triangular shape. We are going to put it inside. Press it from the top. Put threads as well and it's done. We are going to fold the paper. You can see the triangular shape from top and bottom. Then we are going to press it from the center part as well. You can see we are going to press it like this and then finally we are going to open it and tuck the paper inside. You can make a space like this. Now we are going to press it from the top portion, make folds like this and look, your paper bag is ready. You can make it at home as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.